Welcome to Sightseeing Tube. Today, I will take you to Milan, Italy's vibrant fashion and design capital. Our journey begins right here at the heart of the city, the breathtaking Duomo di Milano. Built over nearly 6 centuries, this cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Let's take a closer look at its intricate details. From its towering spires to the golden Madonnina statue at the top, every inch of the Duomo tells a story of history and artistry. Just a few steps from the Duomo is the iconic Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, Italy's oldest shopping mall. Its glass dome and beautiful mosaics make it a must-visit spot, where luxury brands and classic cafes line the elegant walkways. Whether you're here for a shopping spree or just to soak in the atmosphere, this place is Milan at its finest. Next, we visit the world-renowned La Scala Opera House, a symbol of Milan's rich cultural heritage. Since 1778, this historic theater has hosted some of the most famous operas and ballets in the world. Take a moment to admire the square, where the statue of Leonardo da Vinci stands, reminding us of Milan's deep connection to art and creativity. Now, let's explore the Brera District, Milan's artistic quarter. Known for its narrow cobblestone streets, charming boutiques, and cozy cafes, Brera is a haven for art lovers. From modern galleries to traditional shops, Brera captures the soul of Milan, an ever-evolving blend of history and contemporary style. A short walk from Brera, you'll find the imposing Sforza Castle, a fortress that has stood since the 15th century. Today, it's home to a variety of museums and art collections. Behind the castle, Sempione Park offers a peaceful escape from the city buzz. It's the perfect spot to unwind, enjoy a picnic, or simply take in the beautiful scenery. As evening falls, we head to the Navigli District, Milan's trendy canal area. With its lively bars, restaurants, and picturesque views, Navigli is the place to be for a taste of Milanese nightlife. From historic landmarks to modern vibes, Milan truly has something for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour through Italy's fashion capital. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting travel adventures. See you in the next one.